For today's video guys, samahan ninyo ako, magpipiking tayo ng aking potatoes guys. Harvesting time! Ayan guys, this is my video 8 that I have now here. Look at that. Ayan, bubunutin na natin. Tingnan mo, huwag kang kukurap. Wow, very awesome. Lots of fruits. My G. A small but terrible. Dito. Pagkalin natin kung mayroon pang naiwan sa mga gilid-gilid. Ayan. Kasi nabunod na natin lahat. Siguro, that's it. Ay, mayroon pa. Yan, mga maliliit nga lang sila guys. Pero, ang dami. Look at that.